In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams error CAA20002 on Windows. This error can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, we'll walk through the steps together to resolve it. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by adjusting your internet settings. First, you'll want to open the Internet options on your computer. Head over to the Start menu, type in Internet Options, and select the result that appears. Once you have the Internet Options window open, navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll need to scroll down to find the Security section. In this section, you'll see some options related to TLS. That stands for Transport Layer Security. Make sure to uncheck the boxes for both Use TLS 1.0 and Use TLS 1.1. This is an important step, as it helps ensure that your configuration is up to date. After you've made those adjustments, click on the Apply button and then confirm by clicking OK. Now that we've adjusted those internet settings, let's move on to repairing or resetting Microsoft Teams. Start by clicking on the Start menu again, and this time type Programs into the search bar. From there, select Add or Remove Programs from the search results. This action will open a list of all the programs installed on your PC. In the search bar provided on this window, type Teams to quickly locate the Microsoft Teams application. Once you see it listed, you'll notice 3 dots next to the app name. Click on those 3 dots and then select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options menu, you'll have 2 choices: Repair and Reset. First, let's try the Repair option. Clicking the Repair button will attempt to fix the application while keeping your data intact, which is a safer approach. If that doesn't resolve the issue and you're still facing the CAA20002 error, you can proceed with the Reset option. Keep in mind that this will delete app data, and you'll likely need to sign in again afterward. Before you move on, it's crucial to have patience while the application processes your request. This may take a moment, and you want to ensure that everything gets a chance to reset properly. Once you've made it through either the repair or reset process, the next step is to restart your computer. This step is essential as it helps ensure that all changes you've made take effect. Simply click on the Start menu again, choose the Power options, and then select Restart. After your PC has rebooted, you'll want to launch Microsoft Teams and check if the error persists. If you followed these steps carefully, you should find that the CAA2002 error is resolved, allowing you to return to your meetings and chats without any further disruptions. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide was helpful in fixing the error. Remember, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks. Happy collaborating on Teams!